After downloading all of the files from the pattern, you should choose whether you want to use A4 or letter. Then only print the first page and check the boxes on the first page whether all the measurements are correct. The box should either be 3 centimeters or 1 inch, depending on what you prefer. Once you know that this is correct, you can also print out all the rest of the pages. Make sure to print them at 100% with no borders, otherwise these measurements will also not be correct. Once you have printed out all the pages, you can lay them out in front of you, check that all the pages are there, and compare it to the print overview in the instructions to make sure nothing was overseen or forgotten. Then, in order to assemble all the pieces of the pattern, you can take both papers and overlap the edge of one paper on the red line of the other one. And especially in this example, you can see quite well that once I align them on this edge, we get a perfect circle and the font is also continued correctly. Once you align them correctly, you can just use a bit of masking tape and fix them together. After you've done this, you can cut out all the pieces and go on to continue putting them on your letter and cut out all the pieces necessary for this pattern. If there is anything else about the pattern or the project that might still be unclear, always feel free to reach out. I'm happy to help. Otherwise, I wish you happy crafting.